Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log in to Nordstrom credit card. Access your account online step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your phone or computer and make sure your internet connection is stable. In the address bar, type the official Nordstrom card login website or go to Nordstrom.com and look for the credit card account link. Confirm you are on the real site by checking the padlock icon and that the URL starts with HTTPS. Find the Sign In or Login button for Nordstrom credit card account access on the page. Click the Sign In or Login button to open the login form. Locate the field for your user ID or username. Type your user ID or username carefully and avoid extra spaces. Move to the password field directly below the username field. Type your password exactly as you created it, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a private device, you can select Remember Me only if you trust the device. If you are on a public or shared device, leave Remember Me unchecked for better security. Click the Login or Sign In button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while the website verifies your information. If you are asked for a one-time verification code, choose email or text message to receive it. Open your email inbox or SMS messages and find the code from the card services system. Return to the website and enter the verification code in the required box. Click Continue or Verify to complete the security check. Once logged in, look for your account dashboard where your balance and recent activity are displayed. To view statements, click Statements or Documents from the menu. To make a payment, select Payments or Make a Payment and choose your payment amount. Choose a payment date and confirm the bank account you want to use. Review the payment details and click Submit or Confirm to finalize the payment. If you forgot your username, click Forgot User ID and follow the prompts to recover it. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and reset it using the verification steps. Create a strong new password that is unique and not used on other websites. After you finish, always log out by clicking Sign Out, especially on shared devices. Close the browser tab to prevent anyone else from accessing your session. Next time, keep your login details secure and consider using a trusted password manager. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.